Hello everyone, I am Elizabeth with AI Girl Boss, and today I wanted to kind of go over an overview of what my community is and what it is that we do there, because I do offer a couple courses in my community, but today we're going to go over one of them. So go ahead and join me with it. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see on here, there is a timer. We will have an introduction opening day on La Playita in about 2 days, 6 hours, 56 minutes, which translates to Tuesday, October the 7th. At 5 o'clock. So Central Time, by the way, Chicago time. I am 20 minutes from downtown Chicago, just so you know. So this is my opening day. Once you get to my community, this is La Playita. I put some attractive pictures on there that you can enjoy. The first two things you will see on here is AI secrets every entrepreneur should know, and then your AI agent that you will be having access to. If you go ahead and click on the AI agent here, there we go. It kind of just tells you, click on the link and type the information about your business. When you go ahead and open this, you can click this link, your business grant finder. Guides users through a step-by-step Q&A, then finds tailored business grants. So immediately you will see some buttons on here that you can immediately click on, and then our agent will go ahead and ask you some questions about your business, and then you will be able to get business grants that fit your niche, your type of business. Okay, so a couple questions that it asks you is: help me find grants for a women-owned business, find startup grants in the tech industry, what grants are available for veteran-owned businesses. So if, for example, you don't know how to start your prompt, you can use some of these, right? So find startup grants in the bakery industry or the restaurant industry or the trucking industry, whatever industry you're in, copy that. So just type it up here, and then just again answer the questions that your business grant finder is asking you for you to be able to get what you need. Okay. All right, let's look for my other page that we are looking for right here. AI secrets every entrepreneur should know. You go ahead and open that course. It is a free course for all my members. Again, my membership is only $9 a month, guys. Only $9 a month, less than 50 cents per day. And on here you will see all the topics that are available that you will be learning. So AI basics for entrepreneurs. It tells you what you'll be learning. What is AI and why small businesses need it? Why? Intro to tools like ChatGPT, Canva Magic Write, and Gamma. These are three that are my favorites. I use them all the time. Quick win, write your first AI-powered marketing post. Now, it can be marketing. It could be tailored to looking for an employee. It could be tailored to how to create a post for opening day if you are a new business. And then it'll take you to the next lesson. So once you complete it, this course section will let you know that, hey, you're done with this. So on here you will see modules. Okay, let me move my picture so you can see more. And then once you get through each lesson, you will find videos. You will find you will also find like documents that you can download. You can find templates if you need it to complete these modules. Again, they're all for you to learn more about AI. Okay, so this is what a little introduction I wanted to give you guys. So again, I am Elizabeth with AI Girl Boss. I am hoping you do check out my website, aigirlboss.co, so you can see what we are all about and what my mission is. As you know, my mission is to help small businesses, especially the Latino community, because we are a community that needs support. We need to come together. We need to rise together, because in this country, it doesn't seem like we are being recognized the way we should be recognized. And I am here to support all of us, because we all need more knowledge in business. We all need more knowledge on how to get free money. And if you are here, it's because you care and you want to learn more. And I am here to teach you. So besides me being an entrepreneur, I am also a teacher, a business teacher at a high school. So I know how to teach, I guess I can say that. But I also have 23 years in business banking experience. So I am the girl that you need for finding out everything that you need about business grants, business loans, how to get additional funding. And because, AI is one of those tools that every business owner should be using on a daily basis, and I am here to show you how to use it. Okay, so again, thank you again for watching this video. I am Elizabeth with AI Girl Boss. Check out my website, get all the freebies available to you in the downloads link. So just go ahead and check it out and download everything you can, so you are well aware of who we are, what we do, our mission, and you can become part of La Playita. Thank you guys. Bye.